Okay guys, we're back here at our Corvette build. We got some new tires put on our wheels. Went with a factory size here, 225 70-15s, BF Goodrich Radial TA. One of the few companies that still makes this tire. I'm sorry, makes this size tire. So we're going to clean these up and polish them out. And we have a little bit of curb rashness over here. Thought about buying another wheel, but we're trying to not put a ton of money in this car. We've already got more in it than I think my dad wanted to, but whatever, it's just money. So we're gonna grind this down and acid wash them and get them polished out here. Okay, so Blake's cleaning the wheels up with some acid here. This is an aluminum brightener. You can see it cleaned them up pretty nice. This is what they looked like before. Getting there. It's just years and years of brake dust and rust and stuff. Now it's good, huh?
Now it's a lot better.
That'll work. Got our wheels all acid washed here. Let them dry. Now we're gonna polish them up real quick with some metal polish and a buffing wheel on a drill. All right, well, we got our wheels on. Just did a quick polishing of them here. They're pretty rough, but we just want to clean them up, make it presentable. Got some new center caps and all the new lug nuts here from got them from Corvette Central. So got these on, so we're gonna lower it down, check our ride height. Being that we had the front and rear suspension all apart, in the back are the spring. These end bolts here are what adjust your ride height, so we want to make sure we got good ride height before we get it aligned. And the one thing I forgot to mention is fix this chunk of fiberglass was out of here. Just blend it in this back half of the quarter panel just to make it look better than what it did. Didn't get too crazy with it. So we're gonna get an alignment down on here this week and start driving a little bit. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.